Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Zorin OS 16.3 on VirtualBox 7.0. So before proceed to install, make sure that you have installed the updated version of VirtualBox 7. So this is my updated version. So I am using 7.0.12. So latest release of VirtualBox as of now. So first up is I am going to create one Zorin OS virtual machine. I am giving some name to the virtual machine. Let it be Zorin OS 16. Next I am providing the directory path where Zorin OS VM is getting stored. Next I am browsing the Zorin OS DVD ISO file which I already downloaded. Zorin OS 16.3 core. Okay, click the next button. Can't overwrite machine folder, so some problem in naming, so I am changing the naming of virtual machine. Let it be Zorin OS 16.3. okay, I think now it will write yes. Okay, I am allocating 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. Click the next button. I am allocating 40 GB virtual hard disk. Click finish button. Once again go to settings, system, motherboard, and check floppy. Optical drive is the first device in boot order. So network will be NAT. Okay, we need internet connection in order to download and install the packages. Okay, let us start. So Zorin OS boot menu is arrived. Try or install Zorin OS. Okay, first option I am selecting. So Zorin OS core. Okay, Zorin OS core is the name of the DVD. Okay, so installation screen is arrived. So I am selecting the English as my default language. So I am not going to install third-party software. Download updates while installing Zorin OS. So Zorin OS is the flavor of Ubuntu Linux. I think it's a clone of Ubuntu 20.04. I think. Okay. So installation type erase disk and install Zorin OS. Select the erase disk and install Zorin OS. Okay, now select the location, click continue. Okay, provide the username and login username, provide the computer name of your computer, provide the password for the login user. Click continue. Yes, so installation is completed. So I am going to power off this virtual machine. Okay, optical hard disk will be the first device in the boot order. Now you start the Zorin OS once again. Yes, now you can see the full screen is adjusted automatically. Okay, open terminal. So first of what I am going to do, I am going to install some dependencies. Okay, so first step is I am updating the repository, sudo apt update. This will update the repository. Okay, you can see that it's using the Ubuntu focal fossa, that is Ubuntu 20.04 repository it's using. Okay, now I am going to install some dependency packages, okay, for VirtualBox guest edition. So this is the command to install the dependencies needed by VirtualBox guest edition software. Sudo apt install build essential dkms linux -headers. So this is the command, okay. This will install the dependencies. Yes, so all required dependencies are installed successfully. Next, I am going to insert VirtualBox guest edition CD image. Okay, I am going to install directly from the CD itself. /vbox linux editions.run. So make sure that you login as a root user, then only you can run the VirtualBox guest edition scripts. Yes, so guest edition software is installed successfully. So close the terminal. So I'm going to power off the Zorin OS machine. Once again go to VirtualBox settings, general, advanced, share clipboard bidirectional, drag and drop bidirectional. Next I am going to mount one shared folder. So instead of using drag and drop, please try this shared folder feature. It will be very faster than drag and drop to transfer the files. Okay, so I'm mounting the Windows directory, Windows OS machine directory to Zorin OS 16 virtual machine. Okay, I have restarted the machine. Okay, so I am open the terminal. So first I am going to type some commands, and after typing the command I am going to copy paste the terminal output to the Windows OS machine notepad to check whether the shared clipboard feature is working or not. Okay, let me copy the content. Go to Windows OS machine, notepad. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So welcome to Zorin OS. Let me copy from Windows OS machine to Zorin OS 16.3 machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So share clipboard feature is working bidirectionally. Next, let me try the shared folder. So you can see shared folder has got mounted, but we are unable to access that one. So we need to access as a administrator, that is as a root user only you can access the shared folder and its content. Okay, so let me log in as a root user. Next, you can go to media, cd/media. You can see the shared folder is mounted. Yes, I can able to access the content of shared folder. You can either copy the content from shared folder, or you can copy paste the content to shared folder. Whatever you want, you can do it. Okay, so instead of drag and drop, you can use this feature. So finally, Zorin OS 16.3 installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest edition is done and it's working fine.